early morning here at Coshada Casino. I have a $400 ticket and we're going to see what we can do. Wish me good luck. Alright guys, so we're going to start here on Huff and More Puff, the brand new Huff and Puff. Look at the major on this one. So much higher than the others. So, we know what that means. That means probably it's not hitting very often. But maybe we're going to be the lucky one that it wants to hit for us. So we'll start here on 10-cent denom. $5 bets. We're looking for 3 of those, or 6 hard hats. The wolf is wild. I feel like most of you guys probably already know that, but come back with 3 of your friends, please. Or more. You can bring more friends. Playback. Oh. Stop with the 2. Give us 3. Oh, come on, one more. Yeah. Oh, I'm glad I didn't switch yet. Okay. So we just get the regular free games. If you get the saw, then you get to spin the wheel, and there are different types of free games, or it could just award one of the progressives. So we're looking for hard hats to land where they've already been. 3 hard hats and we'll add a spin for us. Just like that. Come on, hats. Hats, hats, hats. 3 at a time. Oh, one more. Oh, come on, hat. Yes, yes, yes. This game is a little different where if we get a hat here, it will turn one of these others into the next highest. Oh, one more. Come on. Okay, well, we only need 1 gold to get that grand. Come on, Wolf. I get so excited when I see it. When I see that coin. You never know what it's gonna be. Alright, where are we at? 184.50. Nice. Hey, look at us. We're up $120 now. Let's see if we can get the saw now. That would have been nice to get right there. Come on, saw. I've never had yet. I'm just a tad on the tripod. If I can. Hold on, guys. There we go. Sorry. I couldn't tell if the top was being cut off, so. Oh, that's good. We got him all the way. $11. Come on. Oh, shoot. That was so mean. Spins, right? They're standing behind me with some machinery. I think they need to change a light above my head. So once I get to 400, I'm going to get off and I'll come back. Oh, never mind. He just strolled away. All right, let's go here. 375 penny. That's a good bet. One more. Oh, shoot. We're looking for the sweet spot. Where's it gonna be? 750 max bet? Is that it? That is not it. Alright, let's go to 2 cents. Just try them all. 450 back. Boy, this is a tough one, huh? Is this one when you get a bonus you need a run? I've only played this game one other time at Hard Rock, Hollywood. Oh, so close. I'm going to progress all the way up. Not even close. Come on. Alright, back to 10 cents. We're not messing around anymore, pig. Get yourself together, buddy. Minor times 2. We'll take the major. Of course, we'll take the grand. No. Don't go to the mini. Don't. Oh, the one I said don't go to is what it gave us. That sucks. Not $200. I'm happy for $200, y'all. But for $10, I was so excited. I need to keep my big mouth shut. I cursed myself. I jinxed it, y'all. Oh, I thought it was going to just make it up to me right there. Alright, I'm going to go back and forth again. 10 and 5. 3 more! Don't stop. I'm gonna go to 2. Hopefully we can get it again. Make up for that mishap. I'm trying to get a cool feature. And if not a cool feature, at least one of the bigger wins. Buzzsaw. Oh, you could have just ended it right there with a win, you little stinker. 225. Oh, do it! Oh, I thought it was going to end on a win. Oh well. So down 200, but we got 2 bonuses. I'm going to come back to this one later and give it another shot. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.